Hey everyone, Vince here. Today we're trying out merge numbers. More than likely 100% guaranteed scam. Let's give it a crack though either way. I cannot wait for you guys to see this video. Look, I'm going to put down my bets right now everyone. If this app offers $100 cash out minimum, $200 cash out minimum, it's a scam straight off the bat. Or if the in-game currency is like 10 million coins equals one real life dollar, it's a scam as well, okay? So let's kick this party off. Here we go. Claim. Instantly won $4.51. Red flag straight away, by the way. So, let's go. What am I doing here? Okay. There's no sound in this app, by the way, at all. I love it. There's literally no sound, dude. Collect another $4.30. Excellent. Another big scam. Sign there when it offers you really good rewards at the start. Then it really tends to slow down. There we go. First prompt to watch a video ad, okay? Now, I'm going to say no thank you. Let's keep track here, guys. How many video ads this thing's going to try and prompt us to watch. It's another big... What? Whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa. No. No, no merge numbers. You don't do that, brother. I said no. And yet, you gave me an ad. Red flag, ladies and gentlemen. That's definite, like, put a nail in the coffin for me for merge numbers. Is it a scam or not? Another ad to get some money. Let's go, no thank you. I'm really... If this keeps prompting me for ads, I will flip out, dude. Legitimately. 100% guys, I promise you. If this gives me ads when I say no, I will be so mad. You have no idea, bro. I don't even know what I'm doing right now. What am I doing? I'm just merging numbers together here, it looks like. 5, 5, 1 to 2, 2, 2, 3. No lives left. What am I even doing? There's literally no, like, what? I don't understand. There's no instructions on how to actually try this app. Not that, another ad. Not that blatantly pop out at you. I might have to look around a bit further, guys. Perhaps I missed something there. But yeah, merge numbers straight off the bat is just annoying me. Instantly annoying me, which is bad. So task. There's no instructions, dude. What am I doing on this app? It just promises real life money. What's this now? What the hell is this? Tickets. There's some sort of lucky dip function here. Oh my god, you scummy developers, dude. $200 cash out. It's another scam app. Here we go again. Dude, are they literally making these apps in a freaking, like, a factory? Are they just pumping these ads out, bro, as fast as they possibly can here, dude? Oh my lord. I don't even know what I'm doing right now. I still got no idea. But what's going on? 3, 3, 3. There. I merged them together. 5. Okay, looks like you get... There's little abilities at the bottom of the screen here. Right. So, okay. Another ad prompt. Okay, $4.59. 2, 3. Okay, I'm starting to get the hang of it now, I think. I need to just make sure there's 3 numbers of a kind next to each other, it looks like. Potentially. So, 2... No, I don't want to watch it. No, it's forcing you to watch ads. That's it. That's enough for me, everyone. That's enough for me. That's scam. Instant scam. Guys, 100% don't try merge numbers out. Do not give it a crack. Do not give it a try. It reeks of scam. Reeks of it. Like, you smell this thing from a mile away, dude. You know some of those really bad sewers, like when you have the workers on the road working on sewers when you're driving past them? That's what this smells like to me right now. Disgusting scam. I'm so mad. I'm so freaking mad. It's one big fix, dude. This is one big fix, for real. What do you do, everyone? What would you do in this circumstance, you know what I mean? Like, if you were me right now, and you had this app, like, I feel bad for people that have actually wasted their life on this app right now, legitimately. It freaks me out, dude. So if I do this, 3, 3, 4, 3, 3, there we go, 4, 4. So I can make that 3, 4, done. So you do get lives there at the top of the screen there, it looks like. There are lives. But if I play 3 games, I get a PayPal reward. If I play 5 games, I get a PayPal reward. If I play 7 games, I get a PayPal reward. If I click on the PayPal present, I get a PayPal reward. It's just constant use of PayPal, man. I wonder if PayPal even allows these applications to use their icon in their apps, dude. Because you know what? I'm going to be real with you guys. If I was PayPal, I would sue Google. I would actually sue Google. I'm not even joking. Here's another ad as well. I would 100,000,000% sue Google for allowing the use of their product in their apps and approving it, okay? Look at this idiot in the left corner of the screen, by the way. Look at this guy down here. My lord, I just wish I could just... I'm not going to say anything, dude. I wish I could do some stuff right now through the screen. Because do you know how mad this is making me? And you got... You poor people out there. I'm coming from an experienced background of gaming here on YouTube, bro. I've gamed for 12 years over on YouTube. I had an account since 2006, bro. And to see what this has devolved into, what this has degenerated into, it just breaks my heart. And to think how many people are actually getting scammed by these pathetic apps, it kills me, everyone. Literally. I feel so bad. Guys, leave me a comment. Tell me what you think of merge numbers. I'm shocked. I'm shocked that this is even allowed on the Play Store. How blatantly obvious it is that this is a scam, bro. I'm not watching any advertisements. That's how I'm getting no money, by the way. Just keep that in mind, everyone. I don't need to play this app to finish. I don't need to finish this app off. I know it's fake. I know. I can guarantee. I can guarantee my channel. I bet my channel right now, merge numbers is fake. Hand on my heart. This app is 100% fake. 100% fake. Even if it pays one person out, there is no way they're paying everyone out. It's a scam. It reeks of a scam. Please, everyone, do not try merge numbers out. Delete it off your phone. If you have the choice, delete it off your phone. Seriously. They're hammering the advertisements so hard as well. That's what's hilarious. They really are trying to scam you guys out there, bro. Don't worry, I'm hoping, I'm making an effect here, guys. You guys are subscribing, you're helping me almost get to 3,000 subscribers, which I really do appreciate. Yes, bro. Yeah, that's what I want. I want 1,000 coins. What do I even do with the coins? What am I doing with these coins here, dude? Don't know. Bro, you literally got these currencies up here, right? And what do you do with them? No one knows. Who knows, bro? Oh my god, this is so bad. As I'm getting more and more into making these videos, everyone, I'm starting to get more, I guess, like my patience is starting to run out completely. I'm getting more irritated because look at this junk. Look at this. What is this now? Dude, these apps never end. I want to wrap it up here. I need to get off this app. I've got a headache. I've actually got a headache from this app. Disgusting app. Get off my phone. Do not try merge numbers. Stay safe out there, ladies and gentlemen. It's a good app for what it is. I'll give it this. If this wasn't a money-making quick scam, it would be good. You can waste time on it. But it is, sadly. So, it gets a 0 from me. It's a scam. Delete it. Google, remove it. Thank you, everyone. See you in my next videos. Check out my channel for more. See you later.